Yeah. Sundays don't always go my way, but someday I hope they'll all be fine, yeah. Cause Monday's like a kick in my face, so wake up call saying go get everything you love. See, I'm a reminiscent extrovert who finds a way to speak. My past and my present has a lot to do with me. So I wake up every morning, have a coffee or a tea, and write a song and play a beat, yeah. The pressure burns, yes, that's how it feels when you ain't regular. I've been on